Okay, there it is. It's gross to watch. And he just licks his fingers and everything. Ugh. Ew. Ah. Eh. Yuck. Oh, that's nasty. He was just chewing it and everything. Just enjoying it. Hey, Tigger, Tigger, Tigger. Aw. Look at that nice kitty just taking a bath. Giving himself a little bath. Yeah. He's a sweetheart. But he can be a munchkin too. Isn't that right, Tigger? Aw. That's so cute. Aw. That's cute. Hey, Puss Puss. Still not done preening yourself? Okay, that part we don't need to see. Anyway, here's some more of my house. And this is my bedroom, people. It's just some stuff. That's, what the hell is that? My brother drew some stuff on there. My very baby girl. Probably can't see it that great here, but my mirror. I got it paid $45 for that on Kijiji, but it didn't have the paint on it. I was gonna try to make it look different, better, but I screwed it up because oh well, it's okay. It's not like I was gonna sell it or anything. Just keep it, you know. I like my mirrors, as you can tell. My mirrors to the living room. I got some here. I think over there I got one more. Some Keith bought. Yeah. Yes. That's my babe's picture right there behind. There you can see him. If I have a picture of him I can look at. Such a nice picture of him too. Yeah, my purse is my fox purse. My fox purse. I had a real nice fox purse before. I don't look at them, just I know me probably boring whoever's watching this, if anyone. But it's bored, so I was thinking, oh, that's my monkey. I'm just hanging him on there. Oh, yeah, I've had him solely for quite a few years now. Cried a lot of tears to that monkey. Yeah. What are you doing now? Hey? Hey, you. I know you can hear me. I can hear you. See you. I know you can. I don't look at you doing that. Hey? Aw, just too cute. Anyway, that's my boring story for today, for tonight, or whatever. Oh, jeez. Didn't want to see that part. Anyway, let's see, turn it this way now. Turn it my way. Which way do you turn it? How can you turn it? Stop.